Hi everyone, my friends. Today I'm going to show you how to create a smooth transition in CapCut. Let's open CapCut. We'll click on New Project. I'm going to upload one of my videos here. Alright, yeah, I'll upload them together. And here's where our transition will be. Let's go into the Transitions menu. And accordingly we'll see which transition we want to add here. If you hover over them, you'll see the transitions. Yeah, they can be tweaked a little bit more for a softer transition. Well, for example, overlays make decent transitions. See, they're quite soft, but that's not ideal. Like these ones, for instance. Or you can also do it using a mask. Look, mask transitions aren't bad either. For example, like this one. We'll click the plus sign, hit OK, and move it to our transition. And accordingly, our transition will work. That's it for today. This was with you. Bye, everyone.